Hey beauties! So, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be reviewing the Riviera Anastasia palette. Look at these beautiful colors! So, I don't know which video I'm putting up. I don't know if I'm putting up the video of me teaching my mom how to do her makeup or this video reviewing this. This video might actually go up first. But in the video with my mom, I also used this palette. And we did like a simple look, so I really didn't get to go into these beautiful colors. But I can't wait. So yeah, let's put this to the side because we're not doing this yet, of course. We're going to go in first with brows. And I'm going to go in with one of my favorite brow pencils. You guys know if I'm using this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, then I'm using the ColourPop Brow Pencil. And not the new one, the original one. Well, the one that they first came out with. Because I think they have two ones. And I don't really like the second one that they came out with. But the first one is amazing. So yeah, the ColourPop one and this one, favorite brow pencils, hands down. And I use the shade 4. Now, I haven't had my brows, y'all, done in a while. I actually should pluck them because they are sort of getting out of hand. Brows are completed. If you guys see me looking down right here, my mirror is right here. I know I'm probably always just like looking down, or I'm either looking at the screen or looking at my mirror. I'm never actually looking at the camera, which is bad. But y'all, you know, I be in the zone. All right, so we're gonna go on to foundation. And thanks to my cousin, hey Leah, she got me another bottle of my favorite foundation of all freaking time, the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear. I always look at the bottle because I always mess it up, but it's the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, of course in the shade Macao, which is medium dark 4. Y'all, I've been ran out of this. Like, I ran out of this so long ago, but I kept using like the little bit that was left in the bottle. I was just like, I'm just gonna keep using it until I get another one. And when I was gonna buy me another one, my cousin was like, hey, do you need anything from Sephora? Yes, sis, you go ahead and get that bottle, because this foundation is bomb.com. I want to try the Sheer Glow, so that might be the next one I buy. Now let's go in with this. Oh, first let me powder. Y'all know. So I'm going to take the Laura Mercier powder and powder my my cheek area, because that's when my pores are so big. Now let's go in with this good old foundation. I feel like I need more, but that's about it. This is really, I really love this foundation. I missed it so much. I remember when I first bought this foundation, I did not, first of all, I didn't even go into Sephora expecting to spend $50, or is it $49? It's like $50 on a foundation. And it was funny because right after I bought this foundation, I saw a video of Jackie Ina saying that Sephora gives you like, what is it, like 3-day or 2-day little sample thingies. And I was like, why didn't I get that? Like, I had no idea how I was, you know, how much I was gonna love this foundation. Like I didn't know anything about, like I just knew from reviews, but you never know from your, like your own experience is different from you seeing the reviews. Like it helps, but you know, so, but I'm like, I was so mad when I saw the video and I'm like, what if I don't like this foundation? But then I'm like, you know what? I can always take it back. But we're gonna take that sponge and go over it, everything. I do freaking love the Fenty concealer though. Concealer is amazing. So I have the shade 380. And it's like, it's a perfect highlight shade. And a little goes, like, I didn't even dip back in. I'm just like, I could probably do the whole thing. Look at this. This is crazy. I don't even have to dip back in. Amazing. Oh my god. Look how freaking dewy and just amazing it looks naturally. Like I honestly don't be wanting to set it because I just want to shine like this. Powder, and I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier again. Now I'm gonna take my good old contour kit and contour these cheeks. You know what contour I want to try? Well, this is more like bronzing, but I want to try the the Benefit Hoola new bronzers. That's like on my next list to try. Add a little spray. After all that powder, y'all, listen, I'm about to dive into, let's start off with like a transition color. So I guess I'm gonna use Coastline. Yeah, so I'm gonna use Coastline as like a, I don't even know, just to put it there, just to put something there. This is the Morphe E27. Let me add some powder under my eyes though, because I know I'm going to use, definitely going to use some color. Alright, I'm going to go in with Palm. I think I want to do a halo eye. I was kind of going, you know, trying to put it into the inner. I wasn't really trying to go in there though. So I'm going to like take, oh, by the way, the brush I was using before, the brush I was using for Palm was Morphe E22. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe E36 and just kind of like put that in the inner and outer of my lid, just to make sure it's there. I feel like the brush wasn't getting it in there like I wanted it to get in there. I sound like a real creeper when I just said that. I didn't mean to. Now we're gonna cut the crease. Well, not cut the crease, but like we're gonna like, you know. And I'm gonna go with that pencil brush. And before I put the color on, I just want to blend out the edges of the concealer. I didn't add any more product to this brush. I'm just taking whatever's left on that brush. Now I'm gonna go in with seal. Wait, no, I'm about to say seagull. She's seashells. That color is freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, y'all. This is beautiful. Like, the more you put on, the more, like, vibrant it is. Now we're gonna go in with that color, and I didn't add any more. And I'm gonna blend in there. So this is cute. That pop of color is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna do what I did on the top. I'm gonna do that on the bottom as well. This little dome brush is the E36, and I'm about to use the Morphe M213, and I'm gonna take the seashell color and put it right in the center, like concealer down here. I'm gonna use the gold, the Multi Gold by Maybelline. After I spray my face. Let me do this first and then spray my face. Just a little bit, you know? Sometimes I say just a little bit, I go ham. Jesus Christ. Just make you happy. We're gonna put the glue on our lashes. Of course, I'm using my favorite lashes, the Ordell Wispies, the Ordell Demi Wispy. A little bit of mascara. This is the It Superhero Mascara. I love these lashes because you can still see the eye look. It's not so like out there. But I'm gonna go old school nude. This was my ride or die nude color. This was, I think this is Satin Ribbon. Satin Ribbon, the NYX Lingerie. This is Wet n Wild Chestnut. I don't know if it's the lip liner or the eyeliner, but I only use it for my lips. Now I know it look crazy, but just trust me. And I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss, and this is part of the Patrick Star. I think it was his second collection, the first spring collection, and it's called Mama Star. I'm gonna use Seaside, and I'm gonna put that in my inner tear duct. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow in there. Yes, she did that. So this is the final look, y'all. With the wig, with the eye makeup. So that's it, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Mwah.